How to set up reCAPTCHA protection in your WordPress site. So open your WordPress admin, and once you are here, on the left we want to go to plugins section, and now we want to click on add plugin, and here search for reCAPTCHA like this, and simply search for it. And you can install this one, Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. Click on install now. You can preview it here. As you can see, it has more than 200,000 active installations, and their reviews are pretty good. So click on install now, and now you have to click activate, and now this plugin is running. So you can go to settings of this plugin, and here you can set up your reCAPTCHA plugin and protection. Some features are free and some are paid. As you can see, here are some examples which you can use. And that's how you can set up reCAPTCHA protection to your WordPress site. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.